Sorry.
That's where we're going. Sorry. I forgot. We're a bicycle. We do whatever we want. We're past everybody. Avenue. It's okay. Not a problem. I don't even know where the hell we are. I don't think I've ever been here before. John Jay College. Sounds tricky. 10th Avenue. There's literally a force coming towards me. Look. Madness. I should probably go in 58. Because this one is not going, it's going the wrong way. The one-way street the wrong way. And as not give a fuck as I do, it's still kind of silly and dangerous to do this, you know? So I'm gonna go over to 50 to 60th maybe. Probably 60th, yeah. No. Gonna go to 58th. There we go. Nice fat street. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. And look at this. It's a horsey. Haha. So far I've been riding this Zooz bike for a while, and I give it a thumbs up because it just feels like a nice fast cruiser. It's simple, it's light, it's oh man, don't tell me I'm stuck. I'm literally fucking stuck here. Oh, that's where I go like this. I just don't want to be on a sidewalk. Like I'm acting like it's a bicycle, but it's not. It's a motorcycle, but it's not. It's a bicycle. That's when I can go do things like this. You know what I mean? Overthinking it. Ooh, look at that Lamborghini right there. That is fucking beautiful. Am I still recording? Yes, good. Good. I gotta go check out that Lambo. Good lord, brother. Ooh. That's a dope Lambo. Not bad at all. I'm freaking maneuvering about like a son of a bitch. I like a fatter street. These streets are not fat enough for all this. I feel like I'm on my fucking Ducati right now, toying with traffic. Except I don't have mirrors to see how close on my ass that guy is. But this is the route that I chose, apparently. And that's okay. 7th Ave. Just coast. Not use any of the power. Just a relaxing cruise. Oh, nice little scrambler right here. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, this guy is really gonna block me in. Son of a bitch. Alright. I guess that's not how... Oh yeah, it still works that way for bicycles as well. Blocking in and all that. You know? It's funny, I know the dimensions of my monster better than I know the dimensions of this bicycle. That's because it's new to me, obviously. It's not that crazy of a concept. And now we're like conserving energy because I'm not using it at full blast for a little bit. It was like a good period of 15 minutes where I was just gunning the fucker. Nice. We're going by the Apple store, the fancy Apple store, right over here. We're just gonna get ahead of everybody. We ain't got the time to wait. You got it. This one's still flashing. Good. Good, good, good. Still flashing, still chilling. I could run for Times Square, but I could be also asking for trouble. Times Square is right over there. I could have literally just pedaled through everybody, but that could be bad news there. Ooh, and there's some po-po right there. So we're just gonna get ahead. We're just gonna get out of here. Ooh, a little bumpy, bumpy. It's okay. Here we are. Oh, yes. Dude, on this day I could literally just fucking cruise through traffic. Look at this madness. I'm essentially a motorcycle now. Oh, it's more dribbles, more drizzles, more raindrops. Okay. I'm not trying to pass this guy too hard. I'm trying to be, you know, understanding of their trouble. Ooh, that's probably a bad place for me to cruise through. Getting here, Queens Bridge now. Come on, baby. Good bananas. Good bananas of Zooz. Yeah. There we are. And that's where we gotta go. Easy. Easy. I can't even go this way. One block. Savage style. Oh no, that bus is not happy with me at all. Huh? Sorry. Sorry. The guy waved to me, so he's not mad. He's just disappointed. I know. Oh. Going the wrong way. The guy's like, are you going the wrong way? I'm just like, no. I'm just, not going your way. Nice. Now I have 0 bars on the old dashboard. So we'll see how far that takes me. Hopefully over Queens Bridge.